Can you guys hear me okay? How about now, Abby? Okie dokie. So, welcome to Sean Chalice Real Estate Facebook Live. We're going to show you a great new project we just finished over on 20 Robinson. Cool thing about this project is the location of it is incredible. I'm standing literally in the middle of the street. We're going to actually, if you look behind me, it's actually a dead-end street. And then if you look around us and you look down the other end of this block, there's nobody around for anywhere. So I'm going to flip you guys around here and start to take you on a little cruise. So first of all, it's a dead-end street on this side. A couple of houses on there. Behind us is actually the baseball field where the kids can play. You can literally walk across the street and play in the street. Then we have a great street. We're in Succasunna, by the way. Literally out this street and to the left across is the school. We recently finished this project. This is an actual ranch in the heart of Succasunna. I'm walking through some snow, so if I fall on my face, you guys will know. We're about to walk in. They just redid the deck. I think you guys are really going to be excited to see this. I mean, I was really impressed. Our contractor really did a great job, to the point where I'm going to take my shoes off because we actually just did all the hardwood floors. This was a ranch. This was actually a breezeway in here. And what we did was actually opened it up. We put the half walls in to separate this portion of the room a little bit. In here, great big room style, open style, plenty of cabin space, island to die for, quartz countertops. One of the things that's really cool about this particular property that we did here, I don't know if you can see that, but we actually put a half bath in here, which is unusual. We also captured some space on the side, put some hardwood cabinets in. We also have brand new stainless steel appliances, brand new fridge, which my wife said, how come we don't have a fridge like that? We do, except that it's in this house. Let's go take a walk at some of the bedrooms and the bathroom. We're gonna look at the bathroom in a second. 3 good sized bedrooms. This is one of the bigger bedrooms in here. Got another bedroom on this side, which is a good size. If anybody has any questions, just chat them to us. We'll give you the lowdown. Closet, another bedroom. The bathroom, really did a nice job in the bathroom. Kind of hard to see a little bit, but we'll try to flip you around. Custom tile work. Again, with the stone countertop. Really cool tile. If that's not enough for you, if this house isn't big enough yet, I'm going to take you downstairs and show you where we have like the romper room, if you will. If anybody got any questions or anything, just let us know. Thanks for coming on the journey. Hey there, Chase, what's up? So down here, we actually finished it all down here, drop ceilings. So if we ever need to get to any of the plumbing or anything like that, really good space in here. This was a old, really crappy bathroom. We took it out and captured the space, made it a great closet. And what we did over here was we made it so you can access it. You have access to the laundry room. You have storage down here. You have the mechanicals. By the way, I should point out this particular house, and hold on. Hey, everybody, I'm back. This particular property, it would have been oil. And we actually took the oil out. We took the oil tank out. We actually put gas in the street. And then we also put in the central air central heating system. So this really is a great opportunity for somebody. Also, huge backyard. This property is actually 110 by 140. So it's really a big space. This yard actually goes all the way to the edge over there where you can see that big oak tree. Pretty much to that edge, and then goes all the way over. You see where the stone is? On that side, it goes that way. Literally right over there is the baseball field. And like I said, down the street, we have the school. You can literally walk to the school system here. You got cars, you got toys. Awesome. We got a great size garage. This garage is actually probably big enough to where you could put a workshop on the end of it and still have plenty of room for your car or your SUV. Really high ceiling. It's great for a contractor or something like that. So if you guys want to find out more about this property or any other property that we're marketing right now, Sean Chalice Real Estate, this is part of the Guaranteed Home Sale Program, by the way. This was a home where we went to the owner and we said, hey, if we don't sell it, we'll buy it. They thought we were a little nuts. We tried marketing it for a little while, and because of some of the issues going on, people wanted it finished. So I said, you know what, we'll buy it the way it is. We came in, we bought it, we closed quickly on it, and here we are. We're going to be at an open house this Sunday from 1 to 3. If you're in New Jersey and you're in the area, come on down. If you have a buyer or you have an interest, we're honoring everybody. We are paying commissions and all that stuff. So we're looking to hear from you. If you need anything at all, stay in touch. Sean Chalice Real Estate, your friend, your neighbor, your real estate expert. Take it easy. Yeah, I need my glasses. I can't see where the finish button is. Ha ha.